Hi yogis, thank you for joining me. This drill is called bird dogs and this is great for building strength and stability in the core. So we'll begin in a tabletop position. Bringing the palms to the mat directly under the shoulders, the knees are directly underneath the hips. And we're thinking about keeping the core tucked in here and the core tight the entire time through this exercise. We're going to inhale, we're going to lift the right arm forward, left leg back, really activating through the tummy areas, so strong in the core. And we're going to inhale. And as we exhale, we're going to see if we can connect the elbow and the knee, contracting in. Inhale, extend. And exhale, contract. Inhale, extend. And contract. Extend. Contract. Staying tight through the core the entire time. Really slow and controlled here. Let's do 3 more. 2. And last one. Extend the arm, extend the leg, and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. You can land the palm, land the knee. Just move through a cat-cow. And bringing the spine to neutral. We'll go the opposite way. So extending left arm, right leg long. Inhale here. Exhale, see if we can connect the elbow and the knee, contract. Inhale, extend. And contract. Inhale, extend. Exhale, contract. Keep going. Slow and controlled. Staying tight the entire time through the core. Good, let's do 3 more. 2. And last one. Contract. And then extend the arm, extend the leg. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can drop the palm down, drop the knee down, and move through a cat-cow. Good. Work up to 3 sets of 10 for this exercise, and let me know how it goes in the comments.